Dancing Rebel reveals her new body 10 days after surgery.
The chest you got give me, I'm gonna stay with. Regardless the info me have, me will stay with. Because you now make me put in a breast and a fake bottom and sick. What?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, may have a story for you today, and this is Dancing Rebel we are talking about, right? So, when you see the video I'm playing at the front, where Rebel said a couple of months ago that she wouldn't do any surgery and she's not going to do it. But it looked like she finally gave in to the pressure, you know what I mean? Every day people press her about this or that. It looked like she finally gave in to it. And she shared a video and a couple other photos on her Instagram page yesterday when I'm going to show you in a bit. But I know that things are going for Rebel right now. I know that she's a part of the reality show with the three of them. You see me, I say TC and Pretty, and that show is called Dancehall Life. And plenty other things are going for her. She was just in TJ music video, amongst other things. But me I go show another video where she posted yesterday. So this is 10 days after surgery. Here goes.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
Yeah, people. So the video I'm putting at the front also where she has said nobody now gonna make she do it. She posts that along with this because she knows that she said that, right? So before you call her upon it or before anybody call her upon it, she make sure she just post it herself, right? So people when you see it, you know what I mean, it look like she don't really do nothing to the top. I just done this alone she do. You know what I mean? What do you think? Tell me down in the comment section. But the next thing is people I say a long time should do it. You know what I mean? So she did on chat and laugh last night with Lava and the argument come up say like, you know what I mean, a long time should do it even before the TJ music video and things. So she got clear up them rumors there. So I have the clip for show now what she said last night. So take a listen to this. Here goes.
So may I say to you now, Rebel, right? That video today, right? I said no, they're gonna notice. No, they're not gonna notice. When did they make that video?
So you have to know when we make my video, Lava?
Okay. Pretty Dana asks, and Era asks.
Era na ask something coming over here watch the show.
No, man, you been attacked from the idea. Yeah, they must say. Era say never knows how to say come down to a little bit.
Come down a little bit, what I mean?
Same say you come down a little bit, you know about the little and neat. Same, you must say I must. So I say, nah man, I must look up, you know, look at app shop and half one kind of say Rebel full of them look at something there. You understand me?
Weak.
So we don't know how go on. So you there know, so what go on?
When I go over my page, you look what go on. I'm not telling you nothing.
Eh?
What is wrong with you? You ever want in my business? You were that I'm pretty than.
Hey, hey, God do.
Love a mix up, you know?
Hey, one thing is we run very serious, some serious joke over here. Well on there. Well on there. Watch her back done.
You're pretty than boy, your body Rebel, your body needs some whipped cream and then when she come by you ask her the thing
say nah
add.
John over vex say nah add.
Why not add?
Me no know.
Hey, me no want to no FaceTime me. Lava don't make pretty than FaceTime me. Don't FaceTime me.
Hey, but look here. The world dog go fight or something here. I make the man stretch my head back, you know.
I will post that.
No world dog just post it.
Shadow. Let them do that to your head back. Lava your head shine still, you know?
Them have, and so Michael Jordan head not shine.
I don't know Michael Jordan, you know. Give me a look at the ice cream that I get here.
So, alright, back to where I said here.
What?
Rebel.
Eh?
Be careful of the ice cream, man. Put on back the fat.
I never put the ice cream though.
No.
So what going on now? So people want to say,
What kind of ice cream is?
them want to say stand up.
That don't taste good.
Me not standing up. Me not stand up. Me not stand up.
So me have some more for show now with Rebel and Lava, but let's get it out of the way. She did not go to DR like the rest of people, like, you know what I mean, everybody else went to Dominican Republic and go design a body. She went to a place named, I think it's called Jana Medical Spa. I hope me I said that correctly. She go say it still, so no way here, right? But people, we don't know, Rebel feel pretty confident about her new body and thing, and you can see it, you see me? She look well happy to me. I don't know if we see the same thing still. But I'm going to show you the next part of the video and hear some more other things where she has said to Lava. Okay? So take a look at this. Here goes.
Me don't want nobody call me after this, you know. Me don't want to deal up with me, you know. You and Pretty Dan don't deal with me.
What me do?
Yo, Pretty Dan, want me to say some man?
So she still make you stand out to you, see?
Me not even know how for class him.
What is Pretty Dan saying?
Me don't know Pretty Dan saying that to you.
What is Pretty Dan
Pretty
saying?
Dan saying want put some ice cream for my body.
What? Pretty Dan.
3 scoop of ice cream.
Pretty Dan, that's not nice.
Pretty Dan, you come on now. Stop the foolishness now, man.
Listen, Janos Medical Spa, I go. Right? That is it. Any information, I go over there, go ask them, or go up on my page.
So
Pretty
spa,
Dan.
so spa not like place
Go
like you
look
go.
on the ad. Go over my page, I look on the ad. I won't elaborate. Pretty Dan, you can't FaceTime me.
So I ask you a question. So FaceTime, so spa not like you're going and look at them massage and going and look
Them
go
do
to
a
bar time
them
something.
do a variety of things. But them myself from up top boss video. Them time they nothing to do to me yet. It's on my belly hangover.
Oh, okay.
Me say every night I string up TC, you take a long for take off something for you like TC.
But keep away from the fatty food though.
Remember say my mama guy now. I'm a burn fat fast. I love dance. I'm in a race. Remember the fat.
But you make the fat come again. You gotta make the fat come back when your belly and go something there.
No, it now come back. You have your mad. But you have to keep the fat them alive. Then after you heal and everything, you start. You understand?
Oh, so probably like next Monday we can call it a stand up.
No. Any stand up, I stand up on my page.
So why you can't stop over chat and laugh?
I tell myself I gotta do my nose. Yo, you don't like it over here, you know? But your blood clot, yeah, you sit too much. I love my nose alone.
Hey boy, pretty that boy, you and TC come like KFC, big deal. Everybody want them.
Yeah, man, I saw Pretty dance here.
Pretty Dan is so rude.
So rude, man, Auntie TC. May I come off your life, you know? I'm not able. I remember your mouth over your hat.
All right, then. Well, just go and watch my ad by Pretty that. Pretty that type of bag.
Me not watch nothing.
You have to watch.
So, judging from the sound of things, it looked like what she has said, them a wire up TC. So, me, I think, said them on the set of Dancehall Live, right? So, this can't go without mention in the new episode or one of the new episode them where I come. So, people no look out for that. Stay tuned to Dancehall Live. I believe, it's my belief, that this I go mention in a Dancehall Live. It's only obvious, right? You see me? Plus that I go drive the show even more. Wanna tell me if you don't agree with me or not. But people wanna think overall, like, you know, Rebel says she never did all do this and then she end up do it. Wanna think say that peer pressure is just so heavy that Rebel have to give in to it. People are say, Ray, you need little more on this, and she went and do it. I just think over time, you know what I mean, she just get mature and say, you know what, me look upon it and my life, me do what I want to do, or me feel like me need it and do it. You know, at the end of the day, none of we can really tell her what to do or not. That's not what me I look for. You see me, I say, me just want to hear an opinion because she did say, you know what I mean, she not do it, you know, she do it. But people, you know what I mean, we're going to leave it there, so that's the end of the video. Get in the comment section and tell me how you feel about on this matter. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big on yourself. Have a good day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.